Hello everybody, my name is Ibrahim Wattar aka Ibi Wat, and what are we reacting to today? Today is a very different one. We're reacting to all 31 NHL Goal Horns. I did not know that there were different goal horns. I thought it was just all the same noise. I just thought it was all just a standard, NHL like horn that you hear. I didn't know it was different according to the team, but I guess I'm about to find out, and we'll see which one's my favorite, I guess. Also, this will really check my knowledge in team logos. I don't know if I'm gonna know 80% of these, but we'll see. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna test my knowledge. No, I think I'll know more than 80%, but no, not more than 80. I think I'll know more than like 40%, maybe 30 or 40%. Anyways, I don't know why I'm blabbering on. Before we get into this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what I'd like to track to next, and I'll always do the best effort to check it out. Now, let's get into listening to these horns. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Okay. This was like a deeper noise. Is this I don't know which team this is. Is this like Anaheim or something? I don't know. I'm guessing at this point. Okay, who's next? I don't know what this team is. This one's a higher pitched one. Oh, there's a howling wolf as well. Okay, there's an addition over there. Boston Bruins. Yeah, I've heard this one. This is kind of like nice and stuff. This one's good. I like this one. It's like it hypes you up. Gave me a little bit of goosebumps. Felt like I'm in the moment. I don't know what the hell that team is. What is... Bull? There's a bull on there, so... I'm sorry if I can't figure out the team names. This one's good. You going there? This is not bad. That one's not bad. Okay, we know this one. It's Calgary. Oh, this one has a lot of things happening in the background. Hey. Okay, this was good. That one's good. Don't even try to ask me what team that is. I have no idea. I'm sorry, I don't know logos. This one's okay, I guess. Not as good as the previous ones. Okay. This one's the Chicago team, right? Okay, this one seems pretty loud actually. Not bad, not bad. That one's a good one too. Whoa. Whoa, this one's loud. This is Colorado Avalanche. See, I know my teams sometimes. Yeah, that one's good. I like that one actually. Is that like Dallas Stars maybe? Just from the star, I'm assuming. Not bad, not bad. A lot of these are good actually. A lot of these are good. No, wait. This is a D with a star. Maybe this is the Dallas Stars. Okay, now I don't know anymore. I don't know what the hell that previous team was. I'm gonna look like an idiot. I don't know a lot of these logos. This one's okay, I guess. I don't know why I'm ranking these like I know anything. This is Detroit, right? Detroit Red Wings, I hope. Because there's a wing. I don't know. Should be. The horn. Oh, this one's really hype. Let's go. Oilers. Okay, Edmonton Oilers. Easy because the name's in the logo. Oh, this one's loud. Whoa! I guess this one really gets you going, you know? Really hypes you up. Florida, wow. That was a good guess on my... Okay, standard siren. Standard horn. What's the song in the background? Ooh. Okay, that was okay. Okay, LA Kings. There's a gap between each horn here. There's like a and then pause, and then I don't know why I'm explaining this. Okay, I like that one. So far, I think the Colorado Avalanche one is maybe my best, but I'm not sure. I'm kind of starting to forget what I listened to at this point. No, actually the Calgary one wasn't bad. That one was pretty good. Montreal Canadiens. I've heard this one because I've been to a game there a long time ago. I didn't realize it was that long. That was a long horn, continuous. It's good. That was a good one, yeah. This is the, which one? Which team is this? Is it Nashville? I think it's Nashville, I'm not sure. From the music I can tell it's kind of Nashville-ish as well. That was good, that was okay. Not a fan of that type of music, but... This is... Assuming the Red Devils. Okay, this one's standard. That one's okay. I'll give it a 3 or 4 out of 10. I'm a hard critic when it comes to horns, you know, because of my knowledge of horns. I got no knowledge. Okay, New York Islanders. Give that one a 4 as well. I don't know why now I'm beginning to rank them by out of 10. New York Rangers. Okay. What's the song in the background too? I didn't know there was such a difference between, like, you can tell there's a difference in how long the horn are, how loud, the pitch. I've been to a Senators game, yeah. I actually kind of like the Sens one, it's different. I might be biased because I'm in Ottawa, but it's actually a good one. I kind of like it. It's a little different because it goes dun, 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 like at the end. I've seen this logo, but I have no idea what team that is. I feel like I know it, but can't wrap my head. This one wasn't as much on the horn, heavy horn. Okay, the Penguins, Pittsburgh Penguins. I think I've heard that one too. Yeah, I've heard that one. Yeah, because I've, you know, you see kind of Pittsburgh games every now and then. Okay. I feel like I know this team, but I'm too afraid to say what team it is, and I'm completely wrong. I love that song. That was all bad. That was like a 5 or 6. 6. We'll give it a 6 out of 10. I don't know why I'm randoming. This is like the... what are they called? Oh. It's got almost like a... what vibe am I thinking of? But it's nice actually. Whoa! This is Tampa Bay Lightning, I'm assuming. Whoa! They added some like electricity to that horn. That's a different horn, man. Whoa! Yeah, that horn was like just loud. It had some static in it. Toronto Maple Leafs. I think I have a lot of Toronto Maple Leafs fans on this channel. Yeah, this is a good one. I like it. It's got good vibes. We'll give it a 6 or 7. I'll give it a 7. You know, I'm a hard critic. I'm not gonna give anybody a 10. Okay. It's got like a rock vibe. Okay. What else do we have here? This is what's it called? The Las Vegas team, right? Las Vegas Knights, I think they're called. Yeah, this one's wow, this is like a long. Each one was a long, loud horn. Whoa! This is freaking police sirens. Holy! Whoa! What is happening? What is happening? Whoa! This one's really high. That one's actually very different. That one was unique. Yeah, the Washington Capitals one was kind of unique. What is this one? That one's kind of a lower, deeper horn. Okay, I don't know what team that was. I didn't know a lot of them, honestly, but I hope you enjoyed that one. That one's actually pretty good. There's a 2021. I reacted to the 2020. I'm an idiot. Anyways, if you like this one, I'll react to the 2021 video of the NHL horns. I did not know they updated them every year. I just thought there was, you know, I guess I like to change and keep it fresh. But if you enjoyed it, I'll definitely react to the 2021 NHL horns. I absolutely don't mind, because I actually kind of like it, like kind of listening to the different ones. I know I've heard a couple of them, like just randomly when I watch a random game, but I don't really watch that many games at all. But I hope you enjoyed this. Not much I could say here other than a lot of them are good. Comment down below which one is your favorite one, and if any of those kind of like last a very long time, like have any of these been the same for like 10, 20, 30 years or something or more. But yeah, just let me know which one's your favorite, you know. We'll see. I don't know which one's my favorite, honestly. The Maple Leafs one is not bad, but I don't know. Even the Kage one was good. I really don't know which one's my favorite. Anyways, I'll leave it up to you. You guys decide which one is your favorite. But I think that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.